Can you say, I love you, chicken.
Chicken.
I love you, chicken.
No.
I love you, chicken.
No.
Oh, but the chicken loves you.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. I love you, chicken. Hey, Jake Bean. Is that chicken your friend? Huh? Is that chicken your friend?